Come test drive the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.